Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Streamlabs for alerts and exports, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Streamlabs website. Log into your Streamlabs account using your preferred method. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the alert box option in the left-hand menu. Click on alert box to access the alert settings. You will see various types of alerts available, such as donations, subscriptions, and followers. Decide which alerts you want to configure for your stream. To customize an alert, click on the corresponding alert type. A new window will open where you can adjust the settings. Set the alert message, sound, and visual effects according to your preferences. Once satisfied with the customizations, save the changes. Next, return to the dashboard and click on Settings in the left menu. In the Settings section, look for the Stream tab. Here, find the Stream key. Copy the Stream key to your clipboard. Now, open your streaming software, such as OBS or XSplit. In your streaming software, find the Settings or Preferences menu. Look for the Stream tab within your software. Paste the Stream key from Streamlabs into the designated field. After this, find the stream type and set it to Custom Streaming Server. Back in your Streamlabs account, return to the dashboard. Click on Widgets in the left-hand menu. Select Alert Box once again, and find the widget URL. Copy the widget URL to your clipboard. In your streaming software, add a new browser source. Paste the widget URL into the browser source settings. Adjust the width and height of the browser source to fit your layout. Once set up, you can test the alerts by using the test buttons in Streamlabs. Perform tests for each alert type to ensure they appear correctly on your stream. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.